Guys, I saw this trendy bag online, crochet bag, and I was like, I cannot be left out on this. I must do my own. And you know that whenever I'm doing my things, I always like to go extra, right? I added leather to mine. I took one of my old bag and I was like, no, no, no. This bag cannot go. Only the bottom was bad, but the up was still okay. So I said, let's do this together. So let's try it. So this is the wool. I used two different color of wool and my crochet pin, a fat one at that. So you just try to put your hand in both side ends to know where it's losing so you can bring out the wool from there. This is the size of the wool I'm using. Can you see it? It's thick, like something that is double inside, okay? So I just started doing my crochet. I just did the chain, a long chain, and I was like, no, 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 I will not use this anymore. So I decided to bring this bag out. I was like, okay, let me start with the under. So I just cut it out. You can see I cut the bottom out right now. So I use nail to poke hole in it. I was just punching it like that till I went round like this. You can see the whole uniform holes. Okay, after that I just started doing my crochet on it, though it was a little bit hard at first because it wasn't easy. No, nothing good comes easy. I just tied it after I was able to pull the thread out. So I just started knitting on it like this till I went round, just trying to figure out what to do because it was really hard at this time, but we move, right? So here I was able to go round, so the upper part was quite easy. So I was just doing it, like you can see I was using different dressing because it wasn't the same day. Okay, it took me 3 days, though I wasn't concentrating fully on it. Sometimes I would leave it to go and do some other things. So you can see I was just knitting. You can see the bottom. So this is the time I knitted half, more than half actually, of the wool I used. Then I decided to put the other color on top because I wanted this other color to be at the middle. Then I will finish it up with the dark blue again. So this is how far I have gone. To tell you how this thing is so important to me because I want to use it on Friday, I have to take it to work. So this is me at work at my spare time, break time. I just started knitting and looking at that place so that they will not come and catch me, although it was my free time anyway. So I got this and I was like, this up cannot go like that. So I already cut at the bottom, so let me cut the up now. So I just loosen it out with the scissors. After that I now try to place it over it. I saw that it was a little bit smaller than it, so I was like, okay, what should I do? So I decided to form an edge on the four corners. Form four corners. I was just holding it to join them together, as you can see me doing. Okay, so that it forms an edge and it will be a little bit reduce the size, so you can see the way the corner is, right? Good. So this is it. I finished joining it and this is what I have, and it's still open, so I need something that will use to buckle it. So and I'm also going to put lining, so I decided to cut out this part of it to put there. So this is the lining. I was just sewing it. You know me, I'm all around, so I was using machine to sew it at night. So here I was fixing the zip or the zipper. Here I was attaching it to the bag itself, and it was all ready. Yes, it was actually ready. So this is the bag, guys. Did I try? Abi and not try? It looked good, right? Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And I also went ahead to add beads to it too, and I added these ruffles to both ends of it, and I'm loving the bag. I'm going to rock it to church this weekend. Guys, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, share this video so a lot of persons can see, and if you like more of this kind of video, let me know in the comment section below, okay, so that I can be making it. And if you also want me to teach you how to crochet it, also feel free to leave it. I'm willing and ready to teach you how to do crochet. See you in my next video. As always, I remain Abby Word. I love you. Bye.